My name is Teacher Zona, and welcome to Lingo Star. Hello, what is your name? Oh, wow, that's a nice name. Hello, Sissy. Now, Sissy, can you say, my name is Sissy? Very good. One more time. My name is Sissy. Good job, Sissy. Very good. And for that, teacher is going to give you, of course, your first reward. Here's your cupcake. Very good, Sissy. Now, Sissy, teacher wants to know, how are you today? Okay, that's good. You are happy. Now, of course, teacher is also happy because I meet you today. Okay, now, Sissy, can you see teacher clearly? Okay, very good. Now, can you hear teacher clearly? That's nice. Okay, are you ready for our class? Okay, now let's go. Look, we are going to learn about, can all birds fly? I'm sorry, can you say, can all birds fly? Okay, very good. And teacher is going to give you another reward. Here's your awesome sticker. Very good, Sissy. Now let's find out. Look, Sissy, what can you see in the picture? Okay, can you circle, Sissy? Can you circle? Yes, a star. Very good. Yes, what else, Sissy? A dog. Very good. Now, can you say, I can see a dog? Very good. Now, teacher's turn. Okay, I can see, a monkey. There you go. Now, these are the examples of an animals. Okay? Can you say it? These are animals. Very good. Great job. Now, teacher is going to give you another sticker. A wow sticker, Sissy. Here you go. Very good. Now, this time, Sissy, we are going to learn about magpie. Okay, now can you say a magpie? Very good. One more time. A magpie. Okay, if teacher is going to ask you, what bird is it, Sissy? Very good. A magpie. Very good, Sissy. Good job. I forget that I am going to give you your sticker, a happy sticker. Here you go, Sissy. Very good. Okay, now this time, Sissy, we are going to use the word magpie in a complete sentence. Now, can you follow, teacher? This is a magpie. Very good. One more time. This is a magpie. Well done. Teacher is going to give you a hamburger. Yum, 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 yum. Here you go. Very good, Sissy. Thank you so much. Look, this time, Sissy, there are two magpies. Can you say two magpies? Very good. Now, this time there are more than one, so we are going to say two magpies. Very good. One over here and one over here. Okay, very good to see. Okay, now we are going to identify what are magpies. Okay? Okay, follow teacher. Magpies are birds. Can you say it? Very good. Teacher is going to give you another reward. A